Good morning guys, and from the me is KODAK K10, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. At first, enroll your Play Store. Then mark your account icon in the right upper corner. Okay, there is some issue with this one. Okay, so now we've got it. I've got a screen protector, and I think that's why it's not working on your. It should work super smoothly. So once you tap on your account icon, click on Manage Apps and Device here. Here, select See Details under Updates Available, and now you can either update all apps that are listed here. Let me just reopen the app here. You can update all apps that are listed here, or you can update one particular app smoothly by tapping on Update right next to its icon. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.